If your condenser fan shroud is cracked or missing, it can seriously mess with your air conditioner's airflow and cooling power. So, the fan shroud is like the traffic cop for airflow around your condenser fan. Without it, air doesn't flow properly, which means your system works harder and costs more to run. First off, check if that shroud is just cracked or completely gone. If it's cracked but mostly intact, sometimes a strong epoxy or plastic welding can hold it together temporarily. But honestly, replacing it is usually the best move because a broken shroud throws off the balance and efficiency. When you're picking a new one, make sure it matches your unit's model exactly. No guessing. Also, clean the area around the fan before reattaching or replacing the shroud, because dirt and debris can cause issues too. If you're not super handy, getting a pro to swap it out can save you headaches and make sure everything fits right. And hey, don't ignore this fix because poor airflow can lead to overheating and bigger repairs down the road. One of the biggest mistakes people make with a cracked or missing condenser fan shroud is ignoring the problem and hoping it will go away, which leads to worse airflow loss and higher energy bills. Another common issue is trying to use a generic shroud that doesn't fit right, causing more noise and less effective cooling. The third problem is skimping on cleaning around the fan before installation, which means dust and grime block airflow anyway. To fix these, first, address the shroud issue as soon as possible to keep airflow steady. Always use a model-specific replacement to ensure proper fit and function. Finally, clean everything thoroughly before putting the new or repaired shroud in place so your system runs smoothly and lasts longer. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know exactly how to fix stuff like your condenser fan shroud without hassle. It also gives contractors a solid way to connect with people who need their skills, making projects way easier for everyone involved.